Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you on how to make a team changer. It's actually pretty simple. I'm not going to make it too I can't say it, but I'm going to say too complicated. Make sure you load in, put in a new base plate or whatever you're doing it, just do it in there. Make sure to save it. I just named it team changer vid, and I'll do all that. Alright, so now once you're in, you're going to make sure you go to your view tab, make sure you have Explore Properties open, stuff like that. Alright, so now I'm gonna go hover my mouse over Storage UI and click the plus and put in Screen UI. I'm gonna name it Team Changer. That's not how you spell it. Team Charger. Okay. Once you do that, you're gonna insert a frame. And you're just gonna size it to whatever size you want. So me personally, I'm gonna make it kind of a smaller size, just kind of fit 2 teams in there. And then I'm gonna put in UI, and then I'm gonna put in a UI page layout. So then it's gonna go center and center. There we go. Once you do that, you're gonna hover your mouse over the plus button of the frame. You're gonna type in UI. You're gonna put in UI corner. You're going to set the corner radius to 0, 20. Once you do that, you're going to hit that same plus on the frame, type in UI, and do the UI stroke. Once you do that, you're going to make the thickness of it 3. You're going to color it gray, whatever gray you want. Actually, make it 4. Once you do that, you're going to color your frame, the color code 34, 34, 34. So it's kind of like this black here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click this plus and put in a text button. Once you do that, you're going to put it in this corner here, and you're just going to kind of size it to kind of like what you would see as a circle. Once you do that, you're going to duplicate your UI corner and drag your duplication. If you don't know how to duplicate, click on it and do Control D or Command D, depends what you're on, and then you'll drag it under your text button. Once you do that, you're going to color your text button red. So this, I have as 255,0,4, or you can just do 255,0,0, or whatever. Now what I'm going to do is make the text color 3 white. I'm going to make text scaled, and for the text, I'm going to make it an X. I'm going to make it bold. Once you do that, I'm going to scroll up, and you're going to find a thing called rotation right in between position and size. You're going to set that to 12. No, set it to 20. So you kind of rotate it to this side here. Once you do that, then in the frame, you're going to insert a text label. Once you do that, you're going to put it in the middle of the scale. You're going to make the background transparency 1. You're going to make it bold. You're going to make the text color white. And then for the text, you're going to press text scaled, and then you're going to put for it team changer, or whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to put team changer. Now in the frame, you're going to insert another frame. Within this frame, you're going to put it in the middle here. You're going to size it to the size you want it. So I'm going to put it like this. So now what you want to do is you're going to want to name this frame the team it is. So I'm going to name this one CivF. Because this is, actually no, yeah, I'm going to name it CivF, as in civilian. So now I'm going to click the UI stroke and hold on Control and click UI corner. I'm going to do Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to drag it underneath the Civ frame. To do that, I'm going to also color the background color for the Civ frame 34, 2034, 2034. And what I'm actually, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so once you do that, in this text label, you're going to in the frame, you're going to want to put a text label. Once you do that, you're going to want to make the background transparency 1. You want to make it bold. You're going to want to make it the text color white. And then you're going to want to put civilian, or whatever the team name is. Once you do that, you're going to make it scaled. I'm going to put it here, or whatever text size you want. You don't have to do the scale. I'm actually going to do 30. Size 30. Once I do that, I'm going to put in a text button into my Civ frame. So once I do that, I'm going to put it down here. And I'm actually going to kind of scale it down like that. I'm going to put UI corner into it, duplicate the same kind I've been using. Then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make this a green button. Once I do that, for the text button, I'm going to make it a bold. Text color is going to be white. Once you do that, you're going to make it scaled, and you're going to put spawn, or actually I'm going to put switch. Once you do switch, basically what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate this, move it down here, and you're going to make a description of your team. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the text size tab. Once I do that, I'm going to put this is a team for normal citizens to roleplay and do much more. So see how we have that? Now I'm going to scale it. I'm going to put it right here. You can also put images here of whatever you want here. So you know, do whatever with that. Now since we have the Civ frame, so we have our text button to close it. We have our Civ frame and our main frame. So now we're going to duplicate our Civ frame. And you can add how many of these you want. So I'm making 2. This is why I made it this size. You can make it bigger. Now this frame, I'm going to call it Police. And then I'm going to open up the Police frame. I'm going to change this text to Police in all caps. And then I'm going to change this to, this is a team for citizens to turn into a police officer and starting to make money and have a professional job. There you go. So now since we have that, we have these 2 frames. So now since all that is customized, we have a Civ frame, we have a Police frame, we have our main frame, and we have our close button. So now in the team changer thing, actually no, in the Teams, we're going to go to Teams, we're going to press the plus symbol, we're going to put in team. In this team, you're going to name it Civilian, not CivF, Civilian. You're going to leave it white, and you're going to make it auto-assignable. Now you're going to duplicate it by holding Control D, or if you have a Mac or whatever, Apple product, it's Command D. Then you're going to name this one Police, and you're going to color whatever color you want. It doesn't really matter what color, I'm just going to do deep blue, and you're going to want to turn off auto-assignable. Now, since we have our teams, we're going to hover our mouse over Team Changer, the screen UI we inputted a while ago, and we're going to input a local script. Now, you might be asking, how are we going to open it? So now what we're going to do is in here, we're going to make another text button, but within the screen GUI, not the frame, the screen GUI. Now, hold on. Actually, yeah, we'll put it here. Make sure you also insert a frame into Team Changer. Wait, never mind. Wait, yeah. Hold on. What you want to do actually is take, sorry for the convenience, take this text button and put it in frame, and you're going to drag it to the side of your screen. Actually, we'll actually do this. We'll make a new screen GUI and just call it HUD. And in this HUD, we're going to call it text, well, we're going to get a text button and put it in the middle. I'm just going to size it like that. Not even, I'm going to make it a bit more smaller. I'm going to do like that. And then I'm going to take these 2, I'm going to duplicate it and drag it into here. Make sure the UI stroke is border. There we go. Actually, I could have just done this. Wait, no, never mind. So we're going to do that. Background color, 3:4, this is just going to be scaled. Text is going to be white. And then you're going to want to do Team Changer, like that. Okay, so now since we have these 2 things here, in our local script here, or enter it, we're going to delete these 2 lines. parts of it. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna click on the frame, I'm gonna make it not visible, and I'm gonna go in game. And as you can see here, I have me, the UI, I have the Civ and the police. So I'm gonna click this, it's gonna open up this, I'll press switch, and it's gonna switch me to police. And it already loaded me. So once I do that, oh, I forgot. Hold on. We're forgetting something. I'm actually gonna do this because it probably is more efficient. And what I'll do is I'm actually gonna delete the X button. And we're gonna play it. So now we can close it, open it, and I don't know why it's being weird. Hold on. I'll recenter it. Because I don't know if that's the reason why it's being weird. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so you have to just get rid of the page layout. The page layout isn't really that important, but basically now I can just do whatever I want with this, right? So now since I am, switch to police, switch to Civ, you know, do all that. So yeah, that's your working team changer. Make sure to like and subscribe. Sorry if it was confusing. But yeah, hope you guys really like this tutorial, and I hope it's used for a lot of good games. Bye.